Hey everybody, it's me again with another video, and this video is about the Topre Cluster Tester. I thought that was a nice name. Basically it's or 4 Topre keys which I attached to a piece of plastic, custom made, and these keys are from a real force. They are 55 grams, and I left the spring out of one of the keys so you can feel the difference between the keys with and without metal in it. Basically this middle one here just gives you the feel of the key without any spring inside. So yeah, I made this so you can try this, and it's based upon all the others try before you buy items I sent out. This is going to be the same, so you can go to deskauthority.net, find the try before you buy section and find a thread about this item here. Post your name and your location and I'll put you on the list. You have to be quick though, because on the 25th of June is going to be sent out for the first time. Yeah, basically the idea is that you just receive it once it's your turn. You have about 3 days to form an opinion about the switches, and then you post the switches to the next one on the list. And yeah, we'd appreciate if you'd write about your findings in the thread of this particular item, and you post a picture of this thing together with a landmark next to your place. That would also be very much appreciated. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you're in the market for looking for a Topre keyboard and you don't know how it feels yet, you're unsure about the purchase, you can subscribe to this list and you get a chance to try them. Yeah, the only cost then for you would be then to send this thing forward to the next one online. I'm asking you to do this with insurance, so with tracking, so it won't get lost. And yeah, that's basically it. So visit the forum, deskauthority.net. Like I said, the try before you buy section, and yeah, just apply. All right.